everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to do a quick unboxing from Amazon. I got some items that I definitely needed to get right away. So I have this box right here. It looks big, but it's something small, kind of, sort of. And also, I got this big box right here, filled to the brim. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So the first item is a diamond painting. This is very, very beautiful. I took it out of the plastic and I'm going to open it up. Inside, it has everything you need. So this is a kit. Comes with the drills, the little tray, and everything. So I'm excited about that. And this is a friend's diamond painting. Isn't that beautiful? I am going to attempt to make this for someone and send it to them. Hopefully, I will be able to complete this. And let me know in the chat if you can figure out who I would send this to. I'm just curious to see whether or not someone could figure this out. But it's someone that loves horror. That's all I'm going to say about that. So I got that. I got some tape because my Dollar Tree was out of shipping tape and also my Dollar General. So I decided to order some tape from Amazon. And this is my favorite tape. I love this tape. It's my fave. So I got one of those. The next thing I got was this glow yarn. So I'll open this up. I was trying to avoid opening packages, but one won't hurt, right? This is glow yarn. I'm so excited to work with this. So I have these other ones. So I have the lime, 2 lime greens. This looks like a little darker shade of green. There is a powder blue and a white. So I'm excited to see what this looks like in the dark. The reason why I got this yarn is because I was at Cynthia's Joyful Creations and they were doing a wonderful live, and it's called Stitching Together with Friends. And Sanita is going to show us how to do the No Sew Ghost. And it's by Rose and Lily Amigurumi. It is a free pattern, and I am super excited. She's going to get me back into doing amigurumi. That's not my thing. It's her thing, and she's really good at it. She always makes some cute items. So I am going to do that. Also got some safety eyes. This particular pattern is a free pattern, and you need 9mm safety eyes and also a 4.5mm hook. Now, if you don't have any glow yarn, you can use regular yarn. You don't have to go out and buy any. Oh, and they gave me a lot of safety eyes in different sizes. So I purchased that. And what else? Oh, in the big box was the polyfill. Now I definitely have to do some more amigurumi, or either, about to knock myself out with it, or either fill it up, like fill up a pillow or something like that. I could always stuff for that. And I have plenty because when we do the ghost, it's going to be really small. So I'll have a lot of this left over, which I'm definitely going to use. I need to work on some other projects. All right, moving right along. Let's see what else we got here. Let me go with this one because this one will be really, really fast. How many people like to sit outside and enjoy their yards and stuff? I needed to get some more citronella candles. They did not have any in my store. So I got, it smells good, a Coleman citronella scented candle. And it's supposed to burn 70+ hours, but this is not only great for the outdoors in your backyard or front yard, but also it's really good for camping. So I should have used this as a safety. I wanted to do a safety series, but I can still do it. But I thought this was really, really nice. The lid comes off, it screws off, and then there's a candle inside with a long wick, and then you can light it up. So I got that. And one more item is another diamond painting. Oh, I have to open this. It's in a box. I will say it's a painting. When you look at it, then you'll see what I mean. But it's diamond painting inspired. Okay? Can't wait to work on this. I might work on this some tonight. But if you're ever interested in doing any diamond paintings at all, I will let you know that Amazon is a good place to get them. I don't typically purchase them from there, but this particular one has everything in it. It has the drills, the tray and the pen, and also I got this beautiful coaster set. Isn't this nice? I got the square ones. They do have round ones, and they have an assortment of different types. So you don't have to get this theme, but you all know I had to get something sea related. So what you're looking at now is a beautiful seahorse. I love that. I have a whale and with a little anchor down in the bottom. I thought that was really, really cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know which one to work on. Look at all of these. The beautiful seashell with that coral. Oh my goodness. It's just so many more. A little fish. Sea turtle. So it goes on and on and on. I'll tell you how many it is. 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's a set of 8 coasters. Once I finish, I could just put this in the kitchen or the living room or something like that. And I've jazzed it up with the drills. So I'm excited about that. And that completes my Amazon haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to go to Butterfly Dreamz Crochet and More. The crochet along will be at Jeannie's house. And if you want more information, I can provide that for you. Or you can watch Cynthia's Joyful Creations last live with the Stitching Together with Friends, and then you can get more information on it. But I'm really, really excited about this, and I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any more questions about any of the products that I showed, I'm not affiliated. I don't get a kickback if you purchase or if you don't. I just wanted to share my haul. You guys have a fantastic week, and I look forward to seeing you all on the YT streets. Y'all have a wonderful one.